This is Chevrolet Captiva 2022. I'm going to make the 8 key using Autel M100. So let's see how to do this 8 key. So switch ignition on using the Autel M100 and the system selected. Immobilizer, type 3, number of key, key learning, put the pin code, insert the key to be programming, switch ignition on, press OK. Insert the second key, switch ignition on. So the learning is success. If you want more key, put yes. If no, put no. That's it. Program is completed. Ignition off. Then wait for 20 seconds and then you can try to start the car. Before I start the car, wait for 20 seconds. And now you can read the code. How many key before was 2 key. Now it's 3 keys already. So you can take out the key and check it is working fine. This original key, this is copy, and you can start the car. That's fine, working, everything is fine. New one and the old one. So this is Chevrolet Captiva 2022, 23, 24. It is same. Thank you.